Power through the hardest ice and frozen fruit in just 12 seconds with the Tempest high-performance blender from Hamilton Beach Commercial. Always there, always durable. Its patented wave action system delivers perfect frozen drinks, smoothies, and coffee drinks fast, making you look like a pro. The Tempest blender's high-performance 3-horsepower precision motor with all-metal coupling is built to last. It's also built for performance with the muscle to power through the toughest frozen ingredients. And we've built-in protection against unnecessary wear and tear, too. The jar pad sensor automatically shuts down the motor when the container is removed to help prevent clutch grinding. And the progressive temperature gauge helps prevent overheating. When thirsty customers are waiting, the Tempest is ready for action. Fast, creamy perfection every time. Our patented wave action system continuously forces the mixture down into the blades, producing a consistently smooth and creamy drink profile fast. Forget about icy chunks forever. Not only powerful and fast, the Tempest blender is also versatile, giving you the speed and control you want, when and how you want it. Simply fill the container. Set the timer with automatic shutoff and return when the drink is done. When more precision blending techniques are called for, the pulse button provides a quick burst of power to finish. And the unique jump cycle starts at low speed, progressing to high. With the Tempest, you're in control. It's as simple as that. Hamilton Beach Commercial is not only the perfect choice for performance, durability, and ease of use, it's also a great choice for fast, friendly service. For questions, service calls, or replacement parts, you can always count on your Hamilton Beach Commercial service team. Exceptional performance, built to last, excellent service. Hamilton Beach Commercial. Always there, always durable.